In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the Truck Simulator Ultimate mod menu for free, updated to the latest version and fully working on both iOS and Android devices. As you can see on your screen, this mod menu unlocks all the premium features and hacks in Truck Simulator Ultimate, including unlimited money and unlimited gold on both iOS and Android. The mod menu comes with a wide range of powerful options such as no damage, unlimited money and gold, unlimited fuel, free upgrades, and much more to enhance your gameplay experience. Before we get started, make sure your Truck Simulator Ultimate game is updated to the latest version. To check this, simply open the App Store or Google Play Store and see if there's an update available. If your game is already up to date, you're ready to move on. Next, scroll down and check the pinned comment below this video. There, I explain step-by-step where and how to get Truck Simulator Ultimate Plus Plus. Once you've followed the instructions, don't forget to leave a like if this method worked for you, and feel free to subscribe for more Truck Simulator Ultimate mods, updates, and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.